Hello friends, welcome to my first coding learning video. My name is Dhruva Ajay Shirsat and I am total 10 years old, and I will just saying sorry to you because this time's video is not late, it's too late. I don't know that my channel starting will be like this, but I'm so sorry to you all. So okay, we will do the project. First, I will explain you the story. Mohan is a very successful farmer. Uh, Mohan is a very successful farmer. He has planted vegetable fruits in a farm, and the farm shape is square. Or and he wants some advanced machine for farming. He wants advanced machine for the farming. Uh, so he's saying, can you build a geometric calculator for him? uh, Requesting the calculator should calculate the area. The calculate should calculate the area. By using that, we will able he will able to understand how much plants means vegetables, fruits he want to plant. So this is the story of our project. So come on, let's first let me explain you the coding part. Sorry, design part. So look, in design, the screen one name is only screen one, because we are not making two or three screens. So in design, this is a label, and its id will keep it as label 1 only, because there are labels. Okay, no, we should change it. Okay, square id label. We will keep it as instruct id label. Okay, id label. Okay, we have kept it. Now there's a text input. There is only one text input, so I don't think that we should keep any means keep id as a text in length text input like this names. So now I will this placeholder means hints. Means there is no text, but there is the hint like enter the length of the site. Okay, now this is a button one. As you know that there is only one button, so I'm keeping it as button one only. And text will be calculate, and with that size, height, position will be this only. And area label, I will keep it as area label. Area label. Okay, I kept it as area label. Now uh first this is also label, but this label is for the answering, that how many length is how many area is of the land. First we will do of this. I will just keep the id as a parameter label. Okay, p e r I m e t e r. Okay, I kept it as parameter label, and its text is parameter, and its area text is area only. And look, the height with that, and this much it's this only. Now this is answer answer label 1. I will keep it as answer label 1. So label 1 means answer label of area. We will just make it some of the bigger, because the area is the bigger than parameters answer label. Okay, I will keep it as 2, and answer label 2 means a and s w e r answer label 2. Okay, now I think that you have to understand the design part And if you have any more doubts on it, you can just comment to me. But my 2 3 videos have created and uploaded, and then you have looked the video. Please comment in my latest video. Okay, now I have to use only this one. No, means not this block only. I have to use more blocks in coding platform. Okay. uh okay, now here the id will be the button, so I will put here button 1. I will put it over here, and it will be click only because this is button. When the button happens, then only the action will turn. Or if you want to do it immediately, you can use input. By the input, it will happen immediately. Now we will do the next one. Okay. We will use the set text to means this block is very important because if we done directly the formula, it will not happen because the computer will not able to know where did he want to set view the number. This is the thing. Because of this, an on event will help the computer to know when that button is clicked, that time it will be happen. That so it will be first. I will keep it answer label 1. Oh, 1 minute answer label 1, and second answer label 2 means parameter answer label. And I will not set text because we want to put it that ever thing that is putting over here. So first I will take the this multiply block, and then again go to UI controls. I take it from add session as you see it. Okay, now we will take the block of get number, and this will be at here only, and it will be come to the first, and the second also it will become get number only, and it will be the text input. Why test? You're thinking why text input only? Why answer label that? Because it is getting the number from text input. Yeah, and it will multiply it by text input only. This is the formula for the area. And the second also I will use the block of multiply. Look, as you can see, and the I will multiply it by 4. Because you are thinking that why 4, why 5, why 10? No. So look, enter the length of the side of the square, and remember to only enter. Oh, it's not number there. There is no number. Okay, there was, but it was not there. It was small. Enter the numbers here. So look, that the side should be only of 4. It should be only and only 4. If it will be not 4, we will get the wrong answer. Okay. Our next gate number block we have to get again. Look. Oh, 1 minute. Get number I taken, and the ID will be text input. Okay, 1 minute. Let me take out text. Okay, text input. This much is done. This much on. We can say all is done. All has been done. Now we will just check that our app is working, or it's still something is wrong over there. Run. Okay, enter the length of the sites. Enter the length. It will be 20. It's small, but the area is 400. The parameter is 80. As you can see, it means it is working, right? It's working properly. It's giving the answer correct. Okay. Now, friends, if you like the video, please comment, like, and share. Share the video if you like, and if you have any doubts, or you are not able to think, or you are not able to means understand what I'm saying, please uh, please comment in comment box, so that I will also able to know that. So okay friends, we will end our video over here. So bye friends. Okay, see you again in next